Remember staring at a math problem, trying to picture how a graph would change if you tweaked the number? What if you could reach into the page and do it yourself? That's the revolution happening with geometric software like Desmos and GeoGebra. They're turning abstract equations into dynamic, interactive playgrounds. Take Desmos. You can graph a standard parabola, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. But then you add sliders. Suddenly, you're not just solving for x, you're a pilot. You nudge the a slider and the parabola stretches vertically, getting steeper. You slide c up and the entire curve lifts off, shifting towards the sky. You're building an intuition for how functions behave, a gut feeling that static graphs could never provide. GeoGebra takes this hands-on approach into geometry and calculus. We all learn that the angles in a triangle sum to 180 degrees. But in GeoGebra, you can construct a triangle, measure its angles, and then grab one of its corners. You can drag it, warp it, stretch it into any wild shape you can imagine, and watch as the sum of the angles remains stubbornly, perfectly locked at 180. It's a proof that you can feel. This dynamic exploration is a game changer. You can visualize the slope of a curve changing in real time, revealing the derivative. You can even fly around complex 3D surfaces that once existed only in theory. These tools don't just give you the answer, they let you discover the relationships for yourself. It's about exploring first and proving second. It's a shift from just memorizing rules to truly understanding why they work, making mathematics more accessible, intuitive, and engaging than ever before.